DesignerLogic has many reports for projects and the overall business. On the project's dashboard, you can find the reports for just this particular project down toward the bottom where we have the report section. You can click on any of these links to get this specific report. For example, click on time and expenses, and you'll see a bunch of different ways to filter this report. And if you hit filter, you'll see below we have a bar chart as well as some more detail on that report. And you can filter this by date range in a whole bunch of different ways. Most reports are like that. There's an item profits report, and this gives you a whole bunch of ways to filter it by as well. And this will help you tell exactly what you're selling, how much, and things like that, what your profit margins are on different parts of your project. Down below even that, we have a number of different options. We have tasks, we have tear sheets available. Say if you want to print out tear sheets for your client, you can filter this by a bunch of different ways. And here you can see there's a nice approval report with big images for your clients. Now every report in DesignerLogic can be printed out to PDF. So anytime you go to print, all you do is choose the destination, save as PDF, and that will create a PDF document of any report or printout in DesignerLogic. There's another place to look for reports in a project. If you go to the items list, you can see all of the items on this project. And if we go up to reports, you can create a custom report of the spreadsheet just by selecting all the different fields that you want to be on this report. And if we click on go to report, that will let us filter it, so we can filter it a whole bunch of different ways. And here we have the custom report that we created with all these items on it, and we can download that as well to Excel or to a PDF document. Now we also have an option to directly download all these items, which we first filter by. And then you want to just click this download link, and it's going to download an Excel file for all of those items. And the tracking section of DesignerLogic's projects also have their own reports, and you can print this whole list out right here, everything that you see with all the dates and everything else up in print view, where you can create a custom report or download it as well. So your data is always yours in DesignerLogic. You can always download that data, create custom reports, and get it how you need it.